This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Linda Forry. 3 home with winter mountain view. Laminate floors, carpet, tile, Y closet, Y shower, beautiful stone fireplace, propane, open floor plan, divided bedrooms, springtime backyard has a variety of flowers, backyard deck and front deck, partially fenced in yard, great workshop attached to carport. Refrigerator conveys with sale. Replaced all plumbing 2018, added leaf guards. All furnishings for sale also. House price $135,000 and with all furnishings $145,000. View home before it sells. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Forry at 501-922